Digital video workflow. So let's take a look at the overall digital video workflow. So first, what we want to do is acquire our media. So you're going to gather all your footage, all your video, and all your actual media. So whether those are stills or images that are raster or vector images with Illustrator, etc., you're going to get all those collected. Second, we're going to import or ingest our video into our editing storage. Um, Premiere Pro can read our media files directly, so we want to throw those right in. Remember, our videos are very large files, and sometimes this can overwhelm our hard drive capacity, so sometimes we like to put these things on external hard drives. Number three, we're going to organize our clips. So we might have a lot of different videos to look through, and we want to organize them in folders, which we call bins. And you want to label them that make sense and are organized as something that makes sense to you and your project. Then we want to create a sequence. A sequence is a combination of all the different parts of the videos and audio clips so that it goes from start to finish in your video. Number five, we want to add some transitions. So transitions are effects in between the videos clips, or they can be effects on the audio. They help the eye go from one clip to the other. And then sixth, we want to import our titles and graphics and captions. So we want our opening credits, our closing credits, etc. To be put into the video at this time. And then number seven, we're going to adjust the audio. So we're going to adjust the volume of all our audio clips, and we're going to put transitions and effects in there. And then at the end, we're going to output. And so we're going to output the finished project to a file. And so that way we have a file that we can use and work with. So these are the standardized digital video workflow. You don't always need every one of them, perhaps, but for the most part you do. And this is the general process and way you do things.